Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to go through a fault code that seems to bring the engine management light on. So P245414, the input for the DPF pressure sensor 1 in a diesel. Okay, it's a short circuit. Now it will bring it whether it's fully blocked, whether there's a wire cut, whether the sensor's packed in. Most likely it's the sensor that packs in more than anything. Now this is a 2.1 diesel, Merc C-Class. This diesel engine's quite common all over the Merc world. So to find the sensor, obviously you've got to take the engine cover off, and it's at the back here. It's this right here, this one. There's these two bolts, if I'm not mistaken, probably size 7, 8. There is that. Yeah, let me show you guys so you can get a better picture. So there's a bolt further down by the looks of it. So you'll have to change this DPF pressure sensor. It is a bit of a nightmare to get to, but this would be it. This is the sensor to it. You'll have to remove this, take it out, and then undo the bolts, change it. You're best getting OEM parts. There is no question, guys. The reason I say OEM parts is because if you don't get OEM parts, it will trigger the same fault again. It will say short circuit even though you've changed it and it's brand new. So make sure, if you want to take my advice, get brand new genuine Merc parts. It's not expensive. It's only going to be probably 10-15 quid more. Just for that, maybe you'll be talking 60-70 quid. I'm just giving you a rough idea. There are probably aftermarket stuff, maybe 30-40 quid, but don't be fooled by getting one of them. Get the original. Once you have, you don't need a top-end diagnostic machine. You can just literally clear DTC. It will just clear everything. You don't have to have a fancy diagnostic. You don't have to have manufacturer diagnostic software. Load of nonsense. Any of the diagnostic machines will. I'm using King Bowling anyway. So we'll just let it do its stuff, and yeah, that's how you would do it, guys. It's just a plug and play. It doesn't need coding at all.